The new riverboat that crashed into the Tecumseh Street Bridge during flooding is ready to open.
The owner worked hard to make repairs and will open the public tomorrow here, but it clearly hasn't been an easy launch. News Channel 15's Sarah Schaefer has that story now.
Joey Tippmann learned firsthand how quickly your efforts to start a new business can be stopped in its tracks, or in this case, its waters. During the flooding last month, his new pontoon boat was taken away down the river and crashed right into the Tecumseh Bridge.
Oh, it was brutal, to see it pinned under the bridge, and we didn't know how bad it was. I thought it was destroyed, and I'm like, oh my gosh. But
it ended up not being as bad as he thought. The biggest issue was just repairing the roof.
We were able to salvage the roof. We just had to re-put it back together and reassemble the bar and just kind of cosmetic things.
Still, they aren't cheap repairs. Even more, they were just waiting for the right day to open before the setback.
We were getting close. I mean, we would have been open, but it was raining every day for, it seemed like a year, so we didn't ever have a chance to go anywhere with it.
But the SSMarybeth, named after Tippmann's mother, finally got her day.
Oh man, it's a relief to have the thing done and ready to go back in, and the sun's shining and the birds are chirping.
The boat will be open to the public tomorrow and every Thursday and Sunday for open rides and reserved rides the rest of the week. It's docked right next to the deck at the gas house. Tippmann hopes it'll be a valuable part of the excitement along the river, and he's beyond ready to lift that anchor. Sarah Schaefer, News Channel 15.